Hey there. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store, a small detail that makes a big difference in your store's branding and professionalism. A favicon is that tiny icon that appears in browser tabs, bookmarks, and more. It helps your store stand out and makes it instantly recognizable. Let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand sidebar, click Online Store and then hit Customize. This opens up the theme editor, your playground for visual tweaks that represent your brand perfectly. Inside the theme editor, click on Theme Settings and then find the Logo section. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option for a favicon image. Click Select File and upload the image you want. Keep it simple and recognizable since favicons are tiny. Think of your logo in miniature form once uploaded. Preview the favicon to make sure it looks just right. Happy with it? Click Done and then Save at the top right to apply your changes. And just like that, your Shopify store now has a professional, custom favicon that reinforces your brand identity and makes your store look polished to every visitor. Even though it's a small detail, a favicon can make a lasting impression and enhance your store's credibility. Now you know exactly how to add one in just a few steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of your Shopify store.